Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly clear only the passwords you saved in Google Chrome over the last month, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated, step-by-step process so you can keep your browser tidy and your digital life secure. Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner for those three little dots. This is your menu button. Give it a tap to open the menu. From here, scroll down and tap on History. This will take you to a page showing your recent browsing activity, but that's not what we're after today. At the top, you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Tap on that to move to the next step. Now you'll see a menu with several types of data. You can clear things like browsing history, cookies, and cached images. For this tutorial, we're focusing on saved passwords. So, make sure only saved passwords is selected. This ensures you won't accidentally delete anything else you want to keep. Next, look for the time range option. Tap on it, and you'll see several choices. Select Last 4 weeks. This will target only the passwords you've saved in the past month, leaving older passwords untouched. Once you've set everything up, it's time for the final step. Tap the Clear Data button. Chrome will take a moment to remove those recent saved passwords, and that's it, you're done. This method is perfect if you want to keep your Chrome browser organized, or if you've recently changed a lot of passwords and want to make sure only the most current ones are stored. It's quick, simple, and you stay in control of your online security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tips for managing your digital life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.